Alright, in this video, I'm just to review the solution of the 3.3 application, okay? So when we have a word problem, do not overthink. We are math people. When there is a formula, there is an equation, plug it in, plug it in, plug it in. But blah, 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 you need to make sure process the given information. So we are given a function, which means we're going to use it. The t is in the unit of a week. So this story is talking about a score, the average score. Now, part A, during classroom time, we say that the keyword is the original quiz, right? So think about that original. The day I give you the quiz, how many weeks goes by? You will say that will be 0. So the t is equal to 0. So we said that when you plug it in the equation, you got s of the function t. I plug in 0, that is equal to 87 minus 12 log basis 10, okay? We can plug this in the calculator, 0 plus 1. We say that, do we really need a calculator for the first one? No, because this part log of 1 by the definition, the log function, okay? When you plug in the special point, log 1, the answer must be 0, which tells me this is a 0. And 0 times 12 is a 0, so the answer must be 87. So this is what we mentioned about. Okay. Part B tells you, after 1 month now, if you do not follow along, this is very kind to you. It is a 1 month equal to 4 weeks. So when you plug it in, do housekeeping, get the calculator, okay? You will get these answers, 78.6. Now, in real life, would you like to round it up or round it down? Keep it at a decimal to tell you how close you are to a C plus or C minus, things like that, okay? Now, after 12 weeks, which means I'm going to plug it in and blah, 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 and with the fancy calculator, you got this answer. Good. Now, the next one, I know, it's about a earthquake. So this is kind of like give you, hey, we do use math in our daily life, okay? So in some countries, some region, you will experience the calculation about the earthquake. So it is a log. So log function is important, okay? Now, make sure, kind of like on your ACT, when you have a 1 minute to do those reaction, you got to make sure location. What is my A stands for? What is my T stands for? What is my B stands for? And plug it in the right location. And yes, indeed, with your fancy calculator, you got the answer. Good. So it's not boring. It just gives you the opportunity to see, hey, we do use math in big things, okay? Earthquakes are really big things, okay? And yes, we will rely on a calculator to get the final answer. And that's all. Thanks.